When you are in the north of Vietnam, you can't miss out on a trip to Ninh Binh. We booked a full day trip with Get Your Guide. We started at King Din and King Lay temples in the Hoa Lu area, which was the ancient capital in the 10th century. And despite the heavy rain, this place offered a great glimpse of ancient Vietnam. Afterwards, we took a Sampang Go, which is a traditional riverboat, to wander around the Tam Kok area. These boat rowers were actually rowing the boats with their feet. Yes, their feet. I don't have footage of this, but trust me, it's impressive. The area is breathtaking, and lucky for us, it stopped raining. Oh, I forgot, we actually had our traditional local lunch before the boat ride. It was really satisfying, and they served this delicious goat meat. And our last stop was the Hang Hoa viewpoint. Again, it was pouring rain, but somehow I managed to climb up the 500 steps to get to this stunning view.
Yeah.
Does this even need an introduction? The #1 place to visit in Vietnam has to be Halong Bay. We booked an overnight all-inclusive tour with Pelican Cruise, and this experience was fantastic. From the high-quality food to the very comfortable and clean rooms and wonderful staff, this truly was an unforgettable experience. We had our own little balcony, which was really a treat, and because the boat only has a small number of rooms, you truly get to enjoy some peace of mind. The deck outside was spacious, and although we only had a few hours of sun the first day, I was lucky to have it all to myself. Well, almost. I guess everyone else was sleeping. Either way, this lunch was a killer. These oysters were the best, and it was unlimited. Yummy! With its impressive limestone islets covered in green, Halong Bay spreads about 150,000 hectares and was listed a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1994. Dinner was really amazing. We enjoyed a 7-course meal. It was a mix of Vietnamese food infused with European-style cooking. Doesn't this look absolutely delicious? Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. The next day we got some time to go kayaking, and we also visited the Song Sot cave. Fun fact, the name Halong is Vietnamese for descending dragon. The legend says that God sent a mother dragon to earth to help the Vietnamese people fight invaders, and the dragon spit out pearls that turned into the thousands of stone islands in the sea that you now see in the bay. Thank you for watching, and I hope you also one day get to enjoy these 2 unforgettable places. Keep an eye out for my next video where we go to Hoi An. Bye!